Hi guys, myself Manoj.M. In this video, we are going to discuss how to find a rank of a matrix. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. Find the rank of the following matrices using elementary row transformation. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5. Right? Let us solve this problem. Let us write this matrix is equal to 1 two, three, two, 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Let's the next step is that we need to make zeros in the L shape. That is, first these two we need to make it zero. Then this one we need to make it zero. Then this element we need to make this zero. I'm not telling here three because it will change after we do the mathematical operation. Okay, right? Yeah. I will most slightly above. Yeah, guys. Let's write the first row as it is. 1, 2, 3, 2. R1, okay. Guys, then R2, okay. We need to make this 2 as 0. For that, we R2 minus 2 R1, okay. We know that 2 minus 2 is 0. Then I will use calculator to do this operation. Yeah, we can also simply write as we know the direct calculation. But yeah, it should be there. I will use calculator for the clarification. Okay. 3 minus 2 into 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 into 2 is what? Yeah, minus 1, right? Minus 1 here. Then 5 minus 2 into 3. Okay, clear it. 5 minus 2 into 3. Okay, 5 minus 2 into 3 minus 1. Right, minus 1 here. Then 1 minus 2 into 2. Okay, clear it. 1 minus 2 into 2. Okay. 1 minus 2 into 2. Minus 3, right? Minus 3 here. Then we need to make this 1 as 0 by doing operation with R1. Okay. Yeah, what we need to do for that? R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. Okay. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Next 4 minus 3, 1. Next 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. Here we can make it as plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 by multiplying with minus. It actually not needed. Whether you need to do, you can do that, but that generally not needed. Okay, I will slightly move this above. The next time is write first the R1 as it is and R2 as it is. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2. This one is R1, then 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. This one is R2. Then we need to perform operation on R3. Okay. We know that 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 here. Here it becomes to 0. Our aim is to make this one as 0. Okay. For that we need to simply do it as R3 plus R2. Okay. We know that, right? 1 plus into minus 1, that will become plus into minus, minus 1 minus 1, 0. Similarly, this will also become 0. This will also become 0. We know that 3 plus of minus 3, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, right? Yeah. Then we know that the rank of the matrix row of A is equal to number of non-zero rows is equal to 2. Okay, yeah. Here we solve this problem and then let us solve some problems based on this. Hence you can clearly understand the concept. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, guys.